Hello everyone, my name is Zach Long and this is my introduction presentation. So who am I? Like I said earlier, my name is Zach Long. I am from Cedar Park, Texas. I am currently a junior majoring in business management at Texas Tech, but will be transferring to Texas State this upcoming fall. What are my hobbies, or what do I like doing in my free time? Some of the things I like doing are hanging out with friends, hunting, fishing, and going to the lake. A place in which I spend a lot of my free time at is my family ranch, which has been a part of the family for 200 plus years. Here I do things such as feed and work cattle, brush and land clearing, and plowing and planting of fields. Where do I work? I am currently an employee of Long Ranch and Home Services, which specializes in home remodels, and I am also a delivery driver for Favor. Something interesting I find about myself is that I currently have 2 plates and 16 screws in my arm, which was caused due to a snowboarding accident, and to this day you can feel each individual screw running down my arm. And to conclude, I hope you all enjoyed my presentation and were able to learn something new about me. I'd like to thank you all for y'all's time. Goodbye.